Good evening, students. Have a nice day. Welcome to 6th Standard English class. I hope all are safe by God's grace. Today we are going to see about Poem 1, Teamwork, continuation of question answers and book back exercise. First, some of the points about teamwork. First point, working to a big scheme. Getting along well with the teammates. Working with your teammate will make you win a game. The work of life is never done by the man of selfish dream. Spirit of team battle, lost or won. Set your mind and will goal. Forget self and fight. Next in your book back question answer, page number 100. Exercise D, read the lines and answer the questions given below. These are appreciation type of question answers. Write in your English classwork note, continuation of short answer. First one, it's helping your fellow man to score when his chance hopeless seem. It's forgetting self till the game is over and fighting for the team. First question, what does it stand for here? Answer, it stands for the teamwork. Second question, write the rhyme scheme for the above lines. Answer, the rhyming scheme for the above lines is AB, AB. Second one, they may sound your price and call you great. They may single you out for fame. But you must work with your running mate or you will never win the game. First question, whom does they refer to? Answer, they refers to the people around you. Second question, which line talks about team spirit? Answer, the third line, but you must work with your running mate, talks about the team spirit. Third question, pick out the rhyming words from the given lines. Answer, the rhyming words are great, mate. Next one, fame, game. Roman letter 3, paragraph question. First question, why is teamwork important? Answer, the poet insists on the teamwork in this poem as it is very important. When we work together as a team, we become more strong and have more confidence. It is good to have courage and talent to achieve something. It is also fine to be counted as a star. But the thrilling single act doesn't tell anyone your abilities. There is no single hand in a game. We must work with a team, helping and coordinating with others in the team to achieve something in our life. Only then we will win and achieve great success. Okay children, some of the additional meanings in this poem. First one, courage, braveness. Second one, skill, talent. Third one, thrill, excitement. Fourth one, lone, single. Fifth one, single you out, giving special attention. Last one, sound, express. Some of the additional questions in this poem. Poem comprehensions and poetic device. First one, it's all very well to have courage and skill, and it's fine to be counted a star. But the single deed with its touch of thrill doesn't tell the man you are. First question, what is fine to be counted? Answer, it is fine to be counted as a star. Second one, does your single act tell who you are? Answer, no, your single act doesn't tell the man you are. Third one, What do you mean by the word deed? Answer. Deed means act or achievement. Fourth question. Pick out rhyming words from these lines. Answer. The rhyming words are skill, thrill, star, R. Second one. For there is no lone hand in the game we play. We must work to a bigger scheme. And the thing that counts in the world today is how do you pull with the team? First question. Is there a lone hand in the game we play? Answer. No. There is no lone hand in the game we play. Second question. What is the thing that counts in the world today? Answer. It is the coordination with the teammates. Third question. How must we work according to the poet? Answer. We must work to a bigger scheme. Fourth question. Pick out the alliterated words. Answer. The alliterated words are the, thing, the, team. Third one. Oh, never the work of life is done by the man with a selfish dream. For the battle is lost or the battle is won by the spirit of the team. First question. What is responsible for a battle to win or lose? Answer. The spirit of team is responsible to win or lose a battle. Second question. What happens to a man of selfish dream? Answer. His work of life is never done. Third question. What is the rhyming scheme of the above lines? Answer. The rhyming scheme is AB, AB. Third question. Pick out the rhyming words from the given lines. Answer. Done, own, dream, team are the rhyming words in the given lines. Next, very short answer questions. First question. What is very well to have for a player? Answer. Courage and skill are good qualities of a player. Second question. Is it easy to become famous with your single deed? Answer. No. It is not easy to become famous without your teammates. Third question. Who will call you great and praise you? Answer. The spectators will call you great and praise you. Fourth question. With whom must you work to win the game? Answer. You must work with your running mate to win the game. Fifth question. Why do the people single you out? Answer. The people single you out for fame. Next one, short answer questions. First question. What should you do to win the game? Answer. We should work and coordinate with our teammates to win the game. You should work with your team spirit. Second question. How is the life of work done according to the poet? Answer. The work of life is never done by the man of selfish dream. He should forget his self till the game is over. Only then the life of work is done. Okay children, I hope all are watching this video class and PDF link. Today's assignment, read and write given appreciation question answer and paragraph question in your English classwork note. Other question answers read only. Write in cursive style and neat presentation. Watch the YouTube video link till you understand. Complete the given assignment and report on time without fail. Take care children. Thank you.